Hello, Marissa and family. My name is Mrs. Hulse. I'm so excited to meet you and get to be your teacher at Epic Charter Schools. I love getting to work with students, and I especially love getting to know them. So I look forward to getting to know you and to know what your likes and interests are, and just getting to know one another. I'm really looking forward to that. So just to start off with, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I have 4 kids. They are 13, 10, 7, and 3. The oldest is a girl, and all the rest are boys. It's been kind of weird for me having all these boys in my house because I only grew up with sisters, but it's been fun. And I've learned a lot about sports and throwing balls around the house. I love to watch Jeopardy on TV, and I love to play along. I have a little app on my phone where I play along. I love doing trivia. Something really fun that I like to do, and maybe something we can do together as we learn together, do a little bit of trivia and some Jeopardy together. That would be really fun. And then I also love to watch college football. So I guess it's a good thing that I have a lot of boys because I like to do that. So I just look forward to getting to know you better, especially when we meet in person, to get to know you. So be thinking of some things that you can tell me about yourself whenever we get to meet on Wednesday, because I would love to learn a little bit more about you. So for our first lesson in ELA, we're going to be working on the standard of comparing characteristics of informational text. And in case you forgot, an informational text is a nonfiction text about a specific topic. Some characteristics of nonfiction text include maps, pictures, charts, tables, graphs, and bold words, just to give you a few examples of what a nonfiction text is and what some of those features are that we're going to be talking about this week. So I'm going to show you what it's going to look like as we start to work together, and just to kind of see what your lesson plans are going to look like for this week. So let me share that with you. So this is our lesson plans. So on Monday, you'll be doing a virtual lesson plan, which is just a plan at home. To start off with, you're going to be watching this video that talks about nonfiction texts and text features and what they are. And then you are going to be doing this worksheet that it talks about earthquakes, and it just uses some different informational text features that it'll talk about. And then at the end of the lesson, you're just going to fill out this little Google sheet for me that kind of tells me a little bit about what you learned that day and what you really liked and kind of what you didn't like so much about informational texts. So on Tuesday, the next day, you'll be doing a little game to start off with, and it's just talking about what different non-fictional text features, and just kind of matching them up a little bit, a fun way to kind of review the information that we learned on Monday. And then you're going to read an article about tsunamis and kind of look at the non-fictional text features in that article as well. And then on Wednesday, we get to meet in person. Yay. So remember, like I said, be coming up with some things that you can tell me about yourself, to share about who you are and what you like and what some of your interests are, because I'm going to need to know what those are, and I'll tell you why in just a second. So when we get together, we are going to be reading a few different nonfictional texts about refugees and just learning some information about them. We're just going to compare these 2 different articles about refugees and looking for what nonfictional text they have. We're going to do like a little scavenger hunt and see which article has which different features. So that will be fun together. And then one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to choose a book, a nonfictional text about a topic of your choosing. So if you like frogs, you like animals, you like to dance, anything, you like football, you like games, whatever you like, we'll find a text that you can use, that you can read. And then we're going to go over that on Thursday when you're at home. You're going to have the text that we chose together at the library. And you're going to go over that and do a few different assignments with that. And to start off on Thursday, when you're doing your work at home, you're going to do a matching game. So you have to match what the nonfictional text is with the definition. And so you'll play that just to kind of review what nonfictional texts are. And then you're going to do this text features of nonfiction text over the text that we chose together on Wednesday. You'll get to go through and answer these questions about the book that you chose. And then on Friday, this is actually my favorite part, and I hope you'll like it too. You're going to write your own nonfictional text about whatever you choose. It can be about the same topic that we chose the book on or something different, whatever you decide to do. And I have just a few different slides about how you're going to do that, and just how you can include non-fictional text features in your own writing of your choosing. So I hope that kind of explains a little bit about what we're going to be doing this week together. What we're going to be doing this week together in our our ELA lessons this week. So I look forward to getting to meet you on Wednesday, and I hope that this makes sense. Please reach out to me with any questions or concerns. I can always be reached by video or by email. So let me know. I look forward to getting to meet you, Marissa, and your family as well. Thanks.